Hello po, ako po si Kirby S. Bautista from 2M, and didiscuss ko po ngayon si Rizal, kung bakit kailangan natin pag-aralan si Rizal as a student. Jose Rizal is widely regarded as the national hero of the Philippines due to his significant contribution to the country's history, literature, and identity. Studying Rizal provides valuable insight into the nation's struggle for independence, moral values, and cultural identity. His life and works continue to inspire Filipinos to the day, making his legacy an essential part of education and national consciousness. Punta po tayo sa Rizal historical impact. Rizal played a crucial role in the Philippines revolution against Spanish colonial rule. His writing, particularly No Limitangere and El Filibusterismo, exposed the justice and corruption of Spanish authorities. Yun po yung panahon ng mga Spanish. Dumaban si Rizal gamit yung mga sinulat niya para lumabas yung totoo and yung mga corruption ng Spanish. Rizal as a moral guide. Beyond this political influence, Rizal championed values such as education, patriotism, and self-discipline. He believed that the true freedom could only be achieved through enlightenment and moral integrity. Example po natin, Rizal life itself was a testament to perseverance and education. Isipin po natin nakapag-aral siya ng madaling language, nakabisado niya yan, tapos naging doktor pa siya. Punta tayo sa Rizal role in national identity. Rizal works and ideas remain central to Filipino identity, reminding citizens of their history and responsibility toward the nation. His advocacy for peaceful reform, intellectual growth, and unity continues to shape Filipino values today. Example po yung the Rizal Law, Republic Act No. 1425, mandates the study of his works in school to instill nationalism among Filipino students. Ito po yung batas po na ito na nagsasabi na kailangan po natin aralin yung history ni Rizal kasi essential to para maintindihan natin yung past, present, and future ng Philippines. His life and works provide historical awareness, moral guidance, and serve of national identity. Yun po, kaya kailangan nating malaman din yung history ni Rizal kasi siya yung bayani natin, saka dito din natin malalaman yung history ng Pilipinas. Thank you po.